Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are staying safe. And if you are not part of my secret Telegram channel, then you can be part of it by opening your account in any of Angel Broking, Alice Blue, or Zerodha or Upstox. Links are in video description, or else WhatsApp or customer care. They will help you out for the links. So what we'll be learning in this secret Telegram channel, I'll be sharing a lot of things, whatever I find out in the market, whatever I learn new things, whatever upgraded things I'll be learning, basically lifetime bonding. So it is a long-term learning, not a buy or sell calls, um, which will not work for you for longer term. Okay, this is to make you and share things what I do. So after a few years, don't think how are you doing these things. So if you want to be part of my journey in learning, so you can be part of the secret Telegram channel. I'll be posting certain idea videos or stocks and a lot of informations I'll be posting there as and when I research certain things, I keep learning certain things. So if you want to be part of this group anytime, it is free for lifetime. And like I stopped my membership, so I'm posting all those things directly here for free for people. So whoever has opened before also, those members, and in the future who's ever opening through Smart Trader will be part of this free group of learning, and I keep posting anytime. Okay, so what are the stocks for the day? So I have two stocks, one is Manapuram and GAIL for you to learn. I have so many stocks which I can keep observing and explain you a lot of things, but as a homework, as a practice to help a lot of beginners who are already practicing, I'm sharing only two stocks so that you don't load up too much and get confused. Once you get used to it, you need to upgrade yourself. Okay, that is up to you. But now normally I pick stocks which are in bullish momentum, and fundamentally also I check this stocks, right? These are the extra checks I do. So now for example, Manapuram is fundamentally strong stock, and if you see, this is the crucial resistance on which it is taking. That is, now let's say if this is a crucial resistance, but we are at 163, and this stock has an upside, let's say up to 200 or 180 in a short term basis. Okay, as per fundamentals, as per its performance, that's what a lot of analysts see, and that's what the fundamental says. But the key resistance is standing over here, so it's up to you to keep this in your radar, and you want to observe fundamentally a little bit longer or short term. This is short term, fundamentally here, technically here. Now coming to scalping, so we'll put 1 day candle and show you the levels for you to only scalp for intraday. Talking about the other stock, that is GAIL. So GAIL also is in bullish rally, because I always try to capture bullish rally for you guys, because in case things doesn't work in your practice in CNC, what if you hold your positions? How can that stock go forward? I don't want to take a stock which is actually in a downtrend and then you miss your scalping, and then you hold and it comes down, you average here, you average here, you average here. It takes a long time. But rather I prefer stocks with higher highs and higher lows. So in case you miss your scalping of 0.3% observation, and if you're holding in your learning paper trading, will the stock come up? Okay, so that is what I try to tell you guys in my learning. So if I zoom in, this stock also is fundamentally strong stock with the levels of around, if you see 170, 178 levels is there in this stock fundamentally. Okay, so I would say 180 fundamentally. Let me draw that for you. So 180 fundamentally for this stock. Technically, you see this point is where it is getting rejected. Now let's say that can be around 167 levels anytime. Okay, depending. So the higher highs are creating overall in an uptrend, but again now we will talk about intraday scalping. So I told you about long term fundamentally, about short term technically, and now scalping, the levels which you can observe. So these are the levels. If you can see, now it has closed around 163 for both. Almost it will be similar, both are trading in the same range. Okay, so immediate resistance for Manapuram is going to be, if you see this 1 hour chart, I'm just showing you, when you trade, consider 1 minute or 3 minutes, 2 minutes based on your requirement for scalping observation. So if you see, this is a major point. So 165 is my resistance, and then if it is breaking, so you don't know if it's going to open gap up or gap down or sideways. But wherever it is, allow the stock to trade and then decide based on the market direction and the stock direction, you can take advantage. So these are the key resistance levels for intraday scalping: 168 and 172. Downside, I would say 160 and 157 are the levels for Manapuram. So for GAIL, it's gonna be pretty same. If you see 163 levels and 170 levels upside, okay, 163 and 170 level upside, and the support is going to be 159 and 156. Currently, they are on a bullish rally. If you see, this is the past peak which has been made for GAIL. Let's observe this where it opens, gap up or gap down. Also depends, today market is already upside. Let's see if corrections happen or market goes sideways, or if markets can go hit a new high or get closer to 16,000. Okay, so these are the two stocks I spoke about. Fundamentally, these stocks are strong. Technically in short term, I showed you the resistance on a 1-day chart. For scalping, that is basically intraday for you to learn, I have shown you these levels, okay, scalping levels only. So hope this was an add-on to your knowledge. Keep learning and don't forget to join my secret Telegram channel. Don't miss the learning journey. See you soon. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.